Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to make a super quick snack recipe using makhanas. Makhanas, foxnuts or lotus seeds are considered to be super healthy. And in this way, you can consume that as a munchie or as an evening snack as well. So let's begin with the process. Here I'm taking some groundnuts, roughly chopped almonds, roughly chopped cashew nuts, and for the spices I'm taking pinch of kalonji, pinch of jeera and pinch of sauf. And that's all about the main ingredients. Now I'm heating up a frying pan. Once the pan is heated up, we'll add the required quantity of makhanas and we need to dry roast them. When makhanas are uncooked, it's difficult to break them. So we need to roast them for about 10 minutes in low flame. And we need to keep stirring them. Once they are roasted, you can take one makhana and try to crack it. If it cracks easily, that means your makhanas are roasted well. Once they are done, we need to keep it aside. I'm heating up the same frying pan and will add about a spoon of mustard oil. You can add any oil that you prefer. Spread the oil and we'll be adding the groundnuts. Keep the flame to the lowest and allow them to roast. Once groundnuts start cracking, we need to add our spices, that is kalonji, jeera and sauf. Allow them to cook. Once groundnuts are about 80% cooked, we'll add the roughly chopped almonds as well. And once almonds are roasted, we'll add the cashew nuts. Adding salt as per taste. Give this a good mix. And now we'll add the dry roasted makhanas into this and mix everything really well. Keep the flame to the lowest during this entire process. Roast all the ingredients for about 2 to 3 minutes in low flame and we are done. Once it cools down, you can store it in an airtight container. And that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.